You can give it a half turn either direction. It'll come out. That's true. There you go.
Yeah, I says, okay,
Yeah,
just cool a little bit. I
There you
sat
go.
there and just thinking a little bit, you know, trying to give me the paper. He said, just trying to,
All right.
trying to go turn around and he walked out. I can do that movie.
Yeah, don't let him go back in.
So we got to roll it.
Roll me over. Surround your receivers.
We've got the doors on it now. Let's put the B47 section on this.
Okay. There before you put wings on, lest you get trapped back here.
Conversion to.
Well, the first one, it's got, you know.
Oh
Yeah, the technique on that one, but
We're away from the wings.
well, it'll prevent you from having to pick it up and move it all.
No, we got to do that to put the gear out anyhow.
What fans did you put in?
Huh?
What fans did you use?
Oh, I got
They have a couple.
How you doing? I'm good. Hey, I haven't seen you for ages. Where you been hiding?
Out at the airport.
Oh, yeah? Oh, you got your Swift over here? No kidding.
Sometime, I guess.
So you're flying your Swift around.
That go up in here or down?
This, that's a whole lot of air dance.
The nose and tail number go down. Is in honor of
Some up,
what
some down.
who used to
No,
be
it's,
my
I mean,
This will go in probably at an angle.
put up there. But it's got a pass through the ground
so it actually does.
during one of these arc lights.
Hey, Bernie,
Yeah.
Got shot
do we have to hang?
This thing was off.
I saw it flash a while ago. It was in my last picture. On now?
That's the confidence in man.
What did you call him? What's Wayne's nickname? Okay, everything's good? Flight control is good?
Now, I want you to walk it out.
You're gonna range that.
Because you're going to use what, half the battery?
All the way to the end.
Okay, I want the port takeoff.
You got a timer or? You want us to, somebody run a stop watch?
Bernie. Bernie.
Hey, you made it, buddy.
We're not taxi jacking this thing.
Come on.
That's the spirit.
Okay, hey, listen, lad, I'm out at the flying field. There is a guy flying a P51. It's huge. It's got 8 engines. Well, I think so. Yeah, I don't know how long, but he's a big one. He just got into his first flight. So get a chance to learn. Oh my God. Okay.
Take off and climb out. Very scales.
Remember the real one had a 19-to-1 glide ratio.
Hey, Growler, did yours even have a glide ratio?
Reverse.
Hey, Bernie, next project.
Yes.
here with Bernie Long, and this was a successful flight of the B52. Bernie, tell me a little bit about it, please.
Well, this B52, I'm using electric motors from Jet Factory in Arizona, and I'm using a Castle 85, and I'm just using the Thunder Power 20C batteries.
On mine, how many milliamps?
This airplane weighs about 39 pounds, and it's all scratch built, and
What's your wingspan, Bernie?
I'd be interested
it's
to see
about 14 feet.
14 feet.
Yes.
Well, it flew very nice. And how many milliamps are the battery packs?
They're 5.
Frank wasn't shaking
They're 5
at all.
amps
He
each.
said, give me trim, and I go,
5 amps each. And how many cells?
I have 4 cells in the airplane. One serves each motor. So I have 4 cells and 4 controllers.
All built from scratch, and how
Yeah,
long did
they're
it
all
take
built
to
from scratch.
How long did it take to build?
It took me about a year, on and
you got the
off.
scale effect going too. It's huge.
So what would you say about that flight?
I think it was going slow.
Well,
It just had a lot of wind.
since this was the first flight, I'm just at all because I really didn't know how it's going to respond. And I told Frank, the pilot, I wanted to just ground test it, but he felt pretty good about the airplane, so he just went for it and took off.
And I know your concern was it was 3 pounds over what you projected. Is that
Yeah,
correct?
and I think it just had just enough power for it to take off. As you notice, it's a little bit sluggish taking off, and it was we're using full flaps on takeoff.
Hey Frank, could you show us the flaps, please?
I'd like to see how many milliamps.
One more fan.
So that was a lot of work getting those flaps to do what you wanted, right?
Yeah, I had to figure out how it could come down and fix itself.
Oh, you're right.
So it
Right out,
doesn't
boy, it
move.
is.
So
That one, and it looked like
they're kind of like a modified Fowler flap.
Oh, it was up.
All right, hey Frank.
See the notch?
Frank, if you would, describe the flight on the B-52. How was it?
Okay. I'll start by saying taxi,
get him from
takeoff, roll, and the climb out were absolutely prototypical. They look exactly scaled. The first turn was ginger, of course, making that first turn because the flaps were still down. I did raise the gear right after takeoff. Well, actually on the crossing, I raised the gear. Now the flaps, when they did raise it, it dove like crazy.
I noticed that.
Had a lot of up elevator flight, so the brake came on. Started running the trim up. Got the trim up to the point of being hands off. A lot of fun. It handles very prototypical.
Let's take a look at the throws on your aileron. Show me what you got. So there's no flaperon in there, just aileron. Let's look at elevator and rudder.
Elevator. As you can see from the takeoff and landing, of course, it has sufficient elevator. I'm not going to loop it.
Very nice. Let's charge it up the back and put Chihuahua in.
Hey, let's do it.
All right. Hey Bernie, one more question, bud. Any truth to the rumor that this is going to be a Chinese foam model within 3 months?
I don't think so.
All right. Well,
Who knows?
pretty darn good.
Who knows?
We're going to get off the runway here.
I looked between the wings.
Not real